Hey, my name is Steven Yin, and this is just a quick shout out for Jordan and his program, Making Money from YouTube. It was a really awesome program, actually. It was a lot of helpful information, very, very thorough, and it's just a very interesting business model when you can get a video to rank and then just see the traffic coming in. And with Jordan's Make Money from YouTube program and his mastermind, I was able to monetize and get enough subs and watch hour to monetize my channel. And so Jordan went through very details on his program how to do that. So the program itself is great, but what's even better is the Facebook group actually. Once you get into the Facebook group, there's just a lot of people doing videos on YouTube. And so a lot of resources when there's questions, people are very happy to kind of share and get inspiration. So overall, it's a really great course. I was really happy I jumped in and make the purchase. So I want to thank you, Jordan, with your Buy 9 to 5 program. And I look forward to any future program that you come up with that will help us make more money on YouTube. So thank you, Jordan. And that's it.